Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will be presenting a case study of how Group has undergone digital transformation through cloud computing. Here, a quick overview of what I will be covering. We will start this background of Woolworth, look at the challenges they face, explore their cloud computing solution and how it was implemented, review the outcomes, and finish with some key recommendations and conclusions. Woolworths Company was founded in 1924 in Sydney and is now Australia's largest supermarket chain. With over 1,000 stores and more than 200,000 employees, it generates over 60 billion in annual revenue. Despite this success, Woolworth has faced increasing pressure of competitors like Coles, Aldi, and digital players such as Amazon. Woolworth ledger systems were becoming a major issue. Most of the IT budget, about 70%, was being spent on maintaining outdated infrastructure. The systems were inflexible and not designed for the modern retail environment, leading to high costs of limited innovation. As their CIO John Hunt put it, we were running on system designed for a different area of retail. They also struggle with data silos. The point of sale, inventory supply chain, and loyalty program operation in isolation. As a result, they could not extract 30% of value of their data. This made it difficult to understand customer behavior and deliver personalized experience. Stability was another big hurdle. The e-commerce platform often crashed during its peak period, leading to lost sales and frustrated customers. Development cycles were slow, taking up to 6 months, and they couldn't adapt quick to market changes to respond to their digital firm competitors. Lastly, the competitive landscape was changing fast. Coles had already partnered with Microsoft, and Amazon was expanding its footprint in Australia. Customers now expected seamless digital services, and Woolworth need to modernize and maintain in the leadership.
Thank you, Rosit. I continue this presentation from here. Here you can see cloud solution strategic decision in this slide. So digital transformation of is established 2017. So here in the below you can see refresh on-premises infrastructure, build private cloud, adopt public cloud, hybrid approach. And after that selected multi-cloud strategy. Under that you can see a Microsoft Azure primary provider, Google Cloud Platform. And finally in this slide you can see strategic objectives, modernize infrastructure, enable data-driven decisions, improve customer experience, reduce long-term cost, increase agility. In this slide you can see about vendor selection process. So under that comprehensive evaluation of major providers. They are Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, Amazon Web Services, IBM Cloud. And after that, evaluation criteria. They are technical capabilities, security and compliance, pricing and TCO, integration capabilities, Australian presence and support, partnership approach. So it is very nice information about this presentation. Here we included regarding business case. As information, 5-year total cost of ownership analysis projected 30% ROI over 5 years, break even expected in year 3, expected benefits. Under that, cost optimization, enhanced customer experience, operational efficiency, advanced analytics capabilities, and increased innovation velocity. Here we included proof of concept projects. Under that, loyalty program analytics, store inventory management, and fresh food demand forecasting. As details, under loyalty program analytics, we can see 40% faster customer insights and enhanced personalization. Under store inventory management, you can see 15% reduction in stock outs in pilot stores and in import replenishment. Finally, fresh food department forecasting. So there we can see 8% reduction in food waste and better inventory planning. When we discuss skills development, we have mentioned about comprehensive training programs and talent strategy. Under comprehensive program, cloud platform technical training, certification programs, DevOps practices, agile methodologies. Under talent strategy, we can see upskill exciting staff, strategic external hiring, partner resources. As my final part of this presentation, we have mentioned about migration strategy. About 250 application assessed and categorized. Under that, we can see rehost 40%, replatform 30%, refactor 15%, replace 10%, and retain 5%. After that, prioritization criteria. Under that, business criticality, technical complexity, strategic value, and quick wins first approach. I would like to hand over this presentation to Milan.
Thank you, Malan. Here I am describe implementation under four category. When we come into the phase one, foundation building, cloud landing zones implementation, security framework deployment, network connectivity establishment, identity management integration, governance policies development, monitoring tools implementation, and backup and disaster recovery setup. When we come into the phase two, non-critical workload migration, development test environments, corporate websites, internal collaboration tools, and business intelligence systems. Then phase 3, e-commerce platform, inventory management systems, supply chain optimization tools, customer loyalty program, and point of sale support. The last phase is phase 4, when we come into the cloud native innovation under microservices architecture adoption, containerization, Kubernetes, advanced analytics and AI implementation, and lot solution in stores. In here, I am describing implementation challenges under three sections. First one is technical challenges. Under technical challenges, legacy application dependencies, data migration complexity, integration with remaining systems, and performance optimization. When we come into the second challenge, organizational challenges. Under organizational challenges, skill gaps in cloud native developments and change resistance and cloud cost management and operating model adjustments. The last one is resolution approaches. Under resolution approaches, we can describe additional training, process refinements, timeline adjustments, and experts consulting support. Here I am describe technical outcomes. We can see the three types of outcomes. First one is infrastructure modernization, two legacy data centers decommissioned, 70% reduction in on-premises footprint, 80% of workloads now in clouds. When we take the second outcomes, scalability improvements, 45% increase in traffic handled in 2021 holiday season, no performance issues during peak events, auto scaling capabilities. Last outcome is system reliability. 98% availability up from 99.9. Reduce mean time to recovery. Enhance disaster recovery capabilities. Now we are in business outcome section. We can divide as a four section. First one is financial impact, second one is customer experience, then supply chain optimization, last one is innovation acceleration. When we take as a first one is financial impact, 15% decrease in IT infrastructure operating expenses, and shift from capital to operational expenditure. The second one is customer experience. 30% increase in mobile app activity users, 25% increase in conversion rates, and enhanced personalization capabilities. When we come into the supply chain optimization section, 12% reduction in out of stock incidents, 80% decrease in food waste, and improved inventory turnover. The last one is innovation acceleration. 3 faster deployment frequency, reduce time to market, and increase experimentation capacity. This is my last section, competitive positioning. We can see 3 types of positioning. First one is market performance. Under market performance, market leadership maintained 28 annual growth in digital sales and improved customer satisfaction scores. And industry recognition, top digital retail ranking 2022, up from 5th place in 2018, Digital Transformation Awards. The last one is competitive differentiation. Under differentiation, enhanced digital capabilities, data-driven personalization, and innovation velocity. This is the end of my part. Lahiru will continue from here. Thank you.
Now I'm going to talk about the recommendations. Our first recommendation is AI expansion. With expanding AI and machine learning capabilities, Google Earth can open more opportunities such as predictive inventory management, advanced device management, and loss prevention like this. And from this project, 3 to 5% sales increase and 2 to 3% cost reduction can get. Our second, our second recommendation is skill development. Enhanced cloud skill development need to focus advanced technical training, cloud native development, innovation workshop, and leadership development like this. This can be implemented through internal cloud academy certification programs and mentoring initiatives. Our third recommendation is multi-cloud optimization. For optimizing multi-cloud operation needs to focus key areas such as cloud financial operation, cost visibility and allocation, unified monitoring and management, compliance automation like this. By optimizing multi-cloud operation, 50 to 20% cloud costs can be reduced. Our fourth recommendation is cybersecurity. Eastern cybersecurity posture is key initiative to zero trust architecture, identity-based areas, micro-segmentation, continuous verifications, supply chain security, third-party risk management, such as like this. Our fifth recommendation is explore edge computing opportunities. The key application is in-store real-time analytics, customer flow analysis, dynamic pricing, visual merchandising optimization, distribution center optimization, automation, automated pickup systems, connected store experience, smart shelves, digital price tags like this. Uh, we think need to pass implementation start with the flagship store as a pilot project. In conclusion, successful cloud transformation address critical challenges, significant technical and business benefit achieved, enhance competitive position in Australian retail, foundation established for continued innovation, demonstrate now traditional retailers can leverage cloud technology. Future focus on AI skill optimization, security and edge computing. These are the sources we referred for this project. You can find these references as well.